If they hungry, that first one fit carry and go buy food, they go cook, they go chop. But say me favor money when they pass that in former husband hand, favor upon the. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Friday Charity TV. I greet you with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever I upload video, you will be notified. If you have subscribed already, God bless you. My people, another 3 don't come again. When I not say anything, just the waka 50. I go post this down, come shoot my mouth, put. Now about Vera matter, we just the waka since all those days. I know say the matter don't lie low now, the matter don't rest, but I want to still shoot my mouth, put. Now the time when I get chance to shoot my mouth, put. Now say make I say come I go shoot my mouth, put. This video when I make, I know they join anybody. When I not say maybe I want to join Vera or I don't want to join Vera, I know they join anybody, but the truth not talk, say me they not talk. The truth not say me they not talk. I will give everybody their own. If the Vera, I will tell her where she for go wrong. More not tell no say I know they join anybody. So that Vera children matter where they go everywhere up and down since then. That husband for that ex-husband for Africa. For with me for Congo, for my place, so I don't know for other people place, for my place, if you don't feel marry and you don't born for that man, then later you can't come out, another man don't cross you, you don't born for another man, that your ex-man where you born for. But where your money, you wait your make I use myself as an example now. For example, now I feel marry, I can't come out for that marriage. I can't go born for another place. Then later, my money, my own money, but when me use my money, buy food, take cook. That my ex-husband no go fit chop. He no go fit even use that pot, cooking his own food. Again, I don't know what that they get me. That my ex-husband, he no go fit even use that pot when me use my money, me when not there, he has again. Another man don't cross me, I don't born for another man. That my ex-husband, he no go fit use that pot when me use my money, take cook. He no go fit use and cook in your food, eat again. So let's all say, made the man when me deal with now. When they give me money, they give my ex-husband. My people, make una reason that matter, make una balance and way. Truth not say me they not talk. I'm not here to side anybody. I'm not here to side anybody. And they will say she dey find view, she dey find view. I know they find view, my people. I know they find view. If you not come view this video, you not go give me view now. So now you come view and thank you where you can't take view and hey. But I know if say she dey find view, she dey find view, she dey find view. Now be waiting most people they talk. I know understand. If person they talk through, they will say she dey find view. So that aside, so please will say me when there another man has go come give my ex-husband money when my husband gives me, I won't give my ex-husband. That thing no dey happen for my culture, for my side. It no dey happen. I don't know for other side though. I don't know for Benin people. I don't know for Yoruba people side though. But for my own, it no dey happen. That man no go fit even touch pot when me don't use my money take cook. Talk less or say, make me go give that man my money. So Vera TV program, she dey take care of those children before when she come Europe. She dey send money give the man. She even fuck off those things, say, I don't know as I felt up for her culture whether they do or not. But she no reason that is say she not there with the man again. She still dey send money, give the man, but they say the money no dey enough. We all know how this Europe be. Nobody go say na him get pass for this Europe. Even me when they talk, so I be presenter, they do YouTube matter, no me say, na me can't get pass. Anybody can come out to look for help. Person be presenter, he no me say na he can't get pass. He no me. Then I never one day come to say na she be the richest woman for Europe. So all those kind of things, you know, not be new thing to me. Say maybe our kids they suffer for home. Not be new thing for me. Because she never come and say she be big woman. Now she rich pass. So for that aspect of it, that man, no dey expect me Vera come dey give you another man money. It's not done. It's not done. Truth not say me they not talk. It's not done. It's not right at all. You are a man. Also for yourself. Also for yourself. She even felt they bring money. You say e no rich, e no rich, e no rich. This Europe, e not easy, oh. E not easy. This Europe, so people with the Africa, not just know now they reason us with the Europe. Whether we dey here they pluck money, I not just know. If you tell person say you don't get now, person with the Africa, they no go believe. Especially this time now when they lock everybody for inside house. Nobody they go work, nobody they come outside, no school, nothing. This Europe no easy. For the children aspect of it, I'm not happy that Vera just left her children like that. I know they happy. Even me, I no go feel leave my pikin. I no go even feel stay one night. Say I no see my pikin. I can't do that. That is where Vera went wrong. She for not just leave those children, maybe because their papa no good, or maybe because waiting she dey give her, waiting she dey say give them, the man say he no rich. Since the first son don't reach 16 years, according to waiting people they talk. Since the first son don't reach 16 years, my advice to Vera, I beg, open account for that your first son and buy phone for her. At least if now once in a week you dey hear from those children. If now once in a week, it's still okay. They go still see they hear from their mama. This camera phone, you know they hard to see nowadays. Buy for her. That your first son. Make they use camera phone, WhatsApp to WhatsApp. You see they see them for video call. They go still see their mama. Their mind go still calm down. Their mind go still calm down. Okay, Vera, please. No look waiting that man do you. No, they know they scratch body. Our body they scratch them. Now your children. Now your children, you know go feel run away from that fact. Say now your children. Buy phone for them. If you don't have one for inside, you buy phone for. It will cover all of them. They talk to them once in a while. And open account for that your first one. Anything you see a month, if you don't have 10,000 and 20,000, send put for that account. Anything they want, maybe they buy and small. And please, if not food for inside, maybe they don't go hungry. Please, Vera, now let that one you eat. Now there I see you take day wrong. Don't abandon your children for anything sake. Because you don't know which one for inside will help you tomorrow. You don't know which one for inside will help you tomorrow. Take care of them. Don't look at people they talk. And for that Vera sister, you no try at all, sister. You no try at all. Umay dey ya kakaka as Benin people they talk. Even if you are your blood sister, even if you not get problem or you want me she take care of your children, you for just to say me she take care of her children. If you not just they bring her life history, she take get belly for small, she take do this one, she take do that. All those one not be necessary. Okay, even I wish Vera not could be presenter now. I'm not sure say all this kind talk for Vera for go viral like this. I will say she not be presenter. Many people they when they do one woman she abandon her children for the man when she born her for. So take the man when they vandalize the first girl for inside. The first girl never even reach anywhere. That first girl nothing no gba or bo and other they talk nothing no dey that girl finger. That girl. So take the children's where anyhow they because their mama abandoned them. Now person do that one, they not gonna criticize her, they not gonna kill her, they not still even talk about the matter safe. When person na Vera uncle just go like this. She's not the first person, she not be the first person where start am, Not be she start am. People they go just bump it, not be person bump picking that they throw where from that electric wire where they up the pikin leg can't hang for them. Now people can't save am. Now person do that one. Now people go born today pikin when you don't feel carry for belly for 9 months, you don't feel that labor pain, don't push am come outside. You go wrap, they go wrap the pikin, tie am for cellophane, go throw away for dustbin like dirty. Really? Really? Who does that? Don't go through my photos me like dirty. They no still talk that one. Only thing, una just advice na Vera need. Advice na she need. No be all these things so. Now advice na she need. And I thank God say she don't settle with that sister. I'm so happy because they be blood sisters. When that sister even did talk self, I feel say maybe not be her blood sister, but later when I go find out say they be blood sisters, yeah, when they said so, I'm happy. Yeah, I happy say they don't say so, and now God just didn't know why things just didn't go this way. But I beg, Vera, take care of your children. For that man, no expect me Vera come take care of you, take care of your children. May Vera money self, no even they pass that man hand. For my own view. May Vera money no dey pass that man hand. May she find other way round. If not, may they open account. May that first one they handle that account. If they don't, that first one fit carry and go buy food, they go cook, they go chop. But say me Vera money when they pass that in former husband hand, Vera when they give that former husband money. It's not right. It's not done that way. It's not done anywhere. For the one when they say Vera man when she deal with now, not they let Vera take care of the children. My people, I feel say now waiting that man think now be this. Have Vera will they carry him money, they give another man, his husband. Una reason now, it's not right. But waiting that man still dey wrong. Like I said before, I'm not going to join anybody. I go talk around and the thing say as it just stated in my body, I go talk around. What is that man for day wrong? If we advise Vera say, do one like this, but not let my money they pass through this man hand. I don't like him. May find other means to take care of our children. If you're not just, even if Vera abandon our children, that man they in a right position. That this Vera present husband, so if they in the right position to tell Vera say, see they call them. Now so it be. I thank God say everything don't settle and the Vera don't agree to the take care of the children. That is it. Please take care of the children. And this thing, someone are reason and I'm not sure say not clear eye. Vera just can't take born those children for that man. I'm not sure say not clear eye. Not be say Vera come. Vera no call me. If person they talk the truth, they will say she dey take side. Maybe Vera don't call her or Vera don't pay her 10 euro or 20 euro. Vera not call me. I never even use phone call Vera one day. I never use phone call Vera one day. But the truth, no say me they not talk. The truth, no say me they not talk. I know say people go constantly attack me for this video, but I not go even look the comment section safe. The one when I like to look, I look at. The one when I not see like I go still delete. I not go still get anything go do me for body. I don't want to talk. I don't want to free my mind. Vera at that tender age where they say she born those children, I'm not sure say na clear eye. I'm not sure say na clear eye. My people more na reason na. That's why that man just want to give her belly, give her belly, give her belly. Me she dey pom 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 pom. Me she dey pom 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 pom. And I just say as Vera eye come clear, now she take run leave that man. Then she take run leave that man. Now her mind can't even dey calm down for those children sef. I understand Vera very well, but please take care of those children. And not the sides you say you leave those children, you know they call them. Money no be everything, I know. Money no be everything. Take care of them. That phone, if not to change them for them, buy another one for them. If the man like is sleep, if he like me not sleep, me I don't know for that one whether if you use your money buy phone, the man face sleep, but I don't know about that. If you change that phone for them, it won't cost you nothing. Like you rightly said, to send the 100 or 50 euro don't cost you anything. Yeah, do it. Do it, please. Take care of them. At least if now school, still let them they go. If now the senior one, still put time for work. But I know say na man they take care of children. Do the one where you fit do for inside as a mother. Still they call them. They hear from them. They hear from them, to even hear from your pikin, your children, to even see them for video call. It's a big relief from you. It's a big relief. You go see and your mind go calm down. When I hear say your one of your boy call you, you just say hello, you say mommy, you end the call. That thing break my heart. It break my heart, really. It break my heart. They talk to them, at least even though not be every day. If now once in a week, they from here they even see they send recharge card. Even if you no want even send money, maybe they take buy card. If you go, you get some tobacco where they be say that they sell African card, even African shop, that they sell African card. Any line your son they use, buy and send and give and say, Lord, I want to call you una for video call. Say subscribe for internet. So I call them for video call. Still see your children, greet them when I don't eat. It's still something. Now here I go they end this video. I thank God say she don't accept to take care of the children, and she don't apologize to her fans. She don't settle with her sister. That is the right way. That is it. Thank God for everything. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time. I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye all.